Hello, my name is Jose La Rosa Rodriguez, and this is my presentation for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript, problem set 0. There are 7 requirements in this problem. I'm going to walk through each one of them one at a time. So requirement number 1 is to create a website with at least 3 pages, one for Google search, one for Google image search, and one for Google advanced search. Each one of the pages should have links on the upper right hand corner to the other 2 pages. So here's my Google search page, and there's a link to image search and advanced search. If I go here, go back, I go to image. If I click here, I go to advanced, and each one of the pages had a link to the other 2 pages. Okay, so that is requirement number 1. Okay, requirement number 2, on the Google search page, the user should be able to type a query, click on the Google search button, and be taken to Google's search results. Like Google's own search, it should have the bar should be centered with rounded corners, and the search button should be centered underneath the bar. So here's my Google search page. Here's the rounded corners, and here's the 2 buttons centered beneath the bar. If I type here CS50, for example, CS50, and I click Google search, it takes me to Google's own search result page. Okay, so that is requirement number 2. Okay, requirement number 3, on the Google image search page, the user should be able to type a query, click on the search button, and be taken to Google's Google image search result page. So let's go to image search, and I'm gonna type CS50 again and click image search, and I'm taken to Google's own image search result page. Okay, so that is requirement number 3. Okay, requirement number 4, on the Google Advanced Search page, the user should be able to provide input for the following 4 fields. And I'm gonna go to the Advanced Search. Here's the 4 fields that are required, and here's the 4 fields that I implemented. I'm just gonna do a quick search querying on each one of the fields for simplicity, and I click Google search, and it takes me to Google search, Google's own advanced search result page. Okay, so that is requirement number 4. Okay, requirement number 5 is still related to advanced search. Like Google's own advanced search page, the 4 options should be stacked vertically, and the text field should be left aligned. So they're stacked vertically and left aligned, and consistent with the Google's own CSS. Advanced search button should be blue with white text, and when clicked advanced search, the advanced search button, the user should be taken to the page result for the given query. And we already, so here's the button, and we already tested that on the prior requirement. Okay, so this is requirement number 5. Okay, requirement number 6, add I need to add an I'm feeling lucky button to the main Google search page, and consistent with Google's own behavior. When clicking this link, it should be directly be taken to Google's search result by passing the normal to the search result by passing this result page. So I'm gonna go to my Google search again, type CS50, and I'm gonna click the I'm feeling lucky, and I'm redirecting me to this Harvard website. Okay, so that is requirement number 6. Okay, requirement number 7, the CSS should match on the website created should match Google's own aesthetics as best as possible. So here's Google's own website, and you can see that it resembles relatively close Google's own. If we go to the Google image search and go to Google image search on Google's own, and it's relatively close. And if we go to advanced search and compare it to Google's own advanced search, even though it only has the first 4 sections, it's pretty close to Google's own CSS. Okay, so this is my presentation. Thank you very much.